Hi everyone, this is once again Aishwarya from Tejas Academy. In the previous video, we have discussed about how to make a perfect self-introduction. We can start with a greeting and by introducing our name, the place we belong to, and about our professional background as well. But apart from this self-introduction, we can expect certain series of questions from the interlocutor. So today, we are going to have a brief discussion about those warm-up questions. So let's begin those questions one by one. For example, if you are getting a question like how long you have been working as a nurse, you can answer that question in such a way that I have been working since 2015 or 2018 or 2020, just like your working experience. So what we wanted to convey is that it's always better to construct the answer from the question itself. The question was how long you have been working, and the answer was put in such a way that I have been working since 2015. Now moving on to the second question. For example, if you are getting a question like tell me about your dream location in OET Speaking, what you have to do at first is you have to address the question itself by telling the answer, I would love to work in UK or my dream location is UK. And in order to substantiate your main point, you have to come up with some further points by telling or by adding points like I was attracted to my dream location because of the remuneration or the professional standards or the living condition, or we can say about the climate as well. And moving on to the last and final question, that is tell me about your future plans once you reach your dream location. So in order to answer these kinds of questions, it's always better to have few plans in our list, and we have to list it down one by one. So the first question is, or the first plan is, I would love to go to my dream location and get associated with some reputed hospitals. After reaching there, I need to upgrade my skills, and if time permits, I can enjoy the sightseeing as well. So that's all for today. I hope it will help you people. Once again, this is Aishwarya signing off.